Hello, wonderful students. We are back with Student of the Week. This is week 3 of Student of the Week. And let's review who gets the Student of the Week. We're looking for people who are doing their best, trying their best, turning in very high quality work, asking for help during email, Zoom, texting us, and people who've shown improvement. So we are so excited to show you the winners this week. Let's review that on week 1 we have Lala Hua and Ariam who earned Student of the Week. Last week we had 2 different students, Eti and Virgilio, also known as Billy. This week, drum roll! Come on, Patches! My cat is here. Come on, drum roll, Patches! Drum roll! Okay, now she's just looking at me weird. Okay. Here's the winners this week. Congratulations, Biswadeep. Biswadeep Sapkota, you are doing awesome. This student even is doing some work ahead of time. So, for example, I posted some work in my social studies class last Saturday, and Saturday night I get some work turned in. This is a very eager student. You've been doing awesome, joining our Zooms, asking for help. Really working hard, and we see you doing that, and please continue doing that, Biswadeep. You are rocking distance learning. Haiku, you have been doing so great. Haiku has been turning in really high quality work. Haiku is doing her work on time, and then if she needs more time, she, takes a little bit more time and then turns it in. She's doing such a great job. Your work is super high quality, and we've seen that, and we really appreciate it. Right, Patches? Yeah. So, Haiku and Biswadeep, keep up the good work. You are rocking out on distance learning. Hey, you could be Student of the Week next week. So if you're wondering what to do, maybe start doing some of your work. We're looking for kids who are showing improvement, kids who've started to do work after maybe not doing it for a little while. And we're looking most for people who are doing high quality work and asking for help when you get stuck. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next Friday.